So I wanted to ask if you have sort of a list of suppliers that do the track and trace system and serialization that are integrated with Tatmeen directly.
Kasim, if I understand your question correctly, you are asking for the list of suppliers who are integrated with Tatmeen?
Yes, who do the track and trace system and the serialization, and the aggregation and all of that. Is that sort of information available?
No, you need the suppliers list, or you are looking for something how to integrate with Tatmeen?
No, I'm looking for a suppliers list.
Suppliers list? No, why do you need such information from us, please?
Sorry?
Wanted to know why do you need suppliers list of suppliers information from us?
We're looking for suppliers who have the serialization system and track and trace who are directly integrated with Tatmeen. Just for information,
okay.
so maybe it will be easier for us to find these suppliers directly from you.
Okay. Kasim, at this moment, I do not have an answer for this. I will have to check internally if this information can be shared with you or not. Okay. So I will check internally, and then if this is shareable, then definitely you will receive an update from us.
No problem. Okay, thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Meanwhile, if you can drop an email onboarding@tatmeen.ee with this particular clarification, this would be an information for us. Anyone from our team would be able to share the information.
What's the email again, please? What's the email again, please?
Onboarding@tatmeen.ee.
Unloading?
No, onboarding.
Onboarding. Okay, onboarding.
Yeah. Onboarding@tatmeen.ee.
Tatmeen.ae.
Yeah.
Okay, onboarding@tatmeen.ae. Okay, perfect.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. We don't have any other caller raising their hand, so we'll wait for some time. If there are any questions, please raise your hand.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi, Shansha. Good morning. Able to hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, please.
Okay. Hi, good morning. So my question is like we have one pharmacy and daycare surgery hospital.
Okay.
So just recently came to know that actually we had taken the GLN and everything, but we didn't integrate Tatmeen with our existing system or EMR or anything or pharmacy software.
Okay.
So is it necessary to integrate with the pharmacy software and hospital HMS?
Yes, any medicine which are entering into the needs to be reported into the Tatmeen. So that is the reason why you have this Tatmeen platform, and you can see lots of documentation, technical guides, training manuals in Tatmeen.ee. If you haven't if you are not doing the reporting, or if you haven't integrated with Tatmeen, then I would suggest you to explore Tatmeen.ee website. Over there, you can see technical guides and then training manuals. So since you are looking for integration, right, B2B process. So
Yeah, but
I would.
now we will not be going to indicate due to some budget issues.
Okay.
So there's a way in the portal we can do directly, right?
Portal is a manual process where you can perform commissioning and then aggregation activities through the CSV file upload process, which is a manual approach. So that also you can do. So for that, explore tatmeen.ae, and then there is a training manual. File upload is the manual name. So you can check in that. So that will give you the steps how to perform commissioning activity, how to perform aggregation, all these things through the Tatmeen portal. Okay.
Okay. So it's easy thing to do in the portal manually or too difficult?
What my suggestion is, someone from your team or the spoke user will have to invest some time. That is a 16-page document, the file upload process. So that will give you some helpful information. So if before moving into the production, my suggestion is your team will have to validate these scenarios in the Tatmeen staging, which is a lower environment where you can perform some sample validations and then ensure things are perfect and accurate. So if you feel the results are satisfactory, then you can move to the production. Okay. So this is the information which I would like to share, but this is not something too tough for you guys, I believe. So as a first step, explore tatmeen.ae website, and then training manuals file upload is the correct document for you as of now.
Okay. Is there any like last day or something that if we did not use or any fine or something?
So this is being implemented, coming to the force since December 2022. Right now, MOHAP is strictly monitoring the goods which are entering into the area and the borders, and the items which are not commissioned are being kept on hold, or this is being questioned for various reasons. So this is the information I have as of now. So my suggestion would be is start reporting to Tatmeen by exploring to the documents, and then that would be helpful for you for smooth onboarding and everything.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have any questions, any caller can raise their hand. We will keep this call for a few more minutes, please. Good morning, Akshay. Can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please?
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
One of our client have an SPOC, Spock portal. Now, when we try to log in the technical user, we forget the password and we are not able to log in. How
Okay.
can we, without creating a new technical user, can we do anything in the Spock portal for activating that technical, old technical user?
I didn't understand your question. Can you ask your question again, please? There is some background noise.
Okay. Sir, we have a pharmacy client and they have a Spock portal.
Okay.
And we have created one technical user for them, but we forget the password for that. For the technical user, we forget the password. So when we try to log in the technical user portal, it will say incorrect password.
Yeah.
So we are asking whether there is any provision for resetting the password like that.
Yes. So yeah. So technical user, is this user a B2B user or a portal mobile user or a Spock user?
B2B user.
B2B user.
Yes.
See, a B2B user is not eligible to log in Tatmeen portal. Okay, so B2B user is eligible to log in Tatmeen developer portal because B2B users are considered as a technical users, and
Yes.
that is the reason why B2B users can log in Tatmeen developer portal.
Okay, sir, can we enable our technical user from the developer portal?
See, the process flow is something like this. So Spock user will create the B2B user, and B2B user will generate username and password using Tatmeen portal. So once the B2B user has generated his username and password successfully via Tatmeen portal, that B2B user, he or she can able to log in developer portal.
Okay.
So you need to understand the difference, Tatmeen portal and developer portal. So B2B user can only access developer portal here.
Okay. Sir, actually our Spock, that client now, pharmacy client, they have created a technical user for us.
Okay.
But they, when we, that password now, that we forget.
That is what. See, since you are trying, since the B2B user is trying to log in Tatmeen portal, B2B user is not eligible to access it. So B2B user can only access a developer portal. You need to understand the difference between Tatmeen portal and developer portal.
Yeah, that is clear.
Okay.
So can I ask, like, if the created one, the B2B user login details is forgot by the SPOC, then is there any possibility to change the password or to deactivate that particular user and create it again?
For changing the password, you have the reset password link on Tatmeen portal itself, and user can very well go and then give their email ID. Once they give their email ID and then click on the reset password button, and email link will be triggered to that particular email. So using that email, they can change their password. Okay.
Okay, so from the SPOC, it is possible to change the password of the technical user, correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And once they have changed and updated, then we can directly log into the developer portal using those details, correct, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so there is a link in the SPOC portal to deactivate, means to change the password.
Yes, reset password is the link.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. We'll wait for other caller to raise their hand. Yeah. Al Sanaya, can you unmute yourself, please? Al Sanaya, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? Al Sanaya, are you still there with us? Any callers, if you have any questions, please raise your hand. We are still keeping this call open. Sajeeran, good morning. Can you unmute yourself? Sajeeran, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? Sajeeran, can you unmute yourself, please, and ask your question? You need to unmute the mic.
Hello.
Yes, Sajeeran, able to hear you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, just as we registered in Tatmeen, now we are in the tatmeen.moh.government.ae. So,
okay.
So at this stage we have. So can we go, because when I registered, I'm not aware that much about the staging portal and this live portion. So is this the live site or this is still staging?
Okay, staging portal, it starts with STG, okay?
Okay.
So that is the staging portal. And for Tatmeen production, I would say it starts with tatmeen.mohab.ae.
Yeah, it means I am in now live staging.
Yes, yes. So whatever the portal you are saying is Tatmeen live production portal.
Is alive. So as we are receiving the medicine from the supplier, it's supposed to be somebody's thing is supposed to be SSCC code. We supposed to enter here.
Yeah.
So which part of this is in this portal where we have to report the.
Okay, so you want to receive those SSCC which are sent by the supplier, right?
Yes, I received. So where in this portal, how we can register, how we can report this one?
No, I mean, I didn't get what exactly you wanted to do in this portal. You wanted to receive the items or you wanted to ship the items?
No, actually, I registered as soon as we registered, we got the user ID and password. That's still we are on this stage. Now the
Okay.
process. Now the from the supplier we are getting the medicine. It's written sometime. It's Tatmeen under the Tatmeen, and this is the SSC code.
Okay.
So what is the my role? What I have to do next?
Okay, see, MAH will do the commissioning, aggregation, and then shipping process. Okay, so while commissioning is the initial first step where the reporting happens of the particular serial number or items, and then the aggregation process happens, and then the MAH will perform the shipping. So in the shipping process, the shipper can perform the shipping activity to the desired destination GLN. So since you are the receiver within UAE, using the Tatmeen portal, you need to log into the Tatmeen portal and then receive the goods using the receiving event. So for this, you need to go. There is a website tatmeen.ae. Under training manuals, there is a product transfer. Okay, and you have product transfer receiving page number 33. So this is something an useful documentation for you to receive these SSCC or any other items which are sent by the supplier. Okay.
Okay. So it's your means I can see whose supplier sent to me medicines, which items I can see.
You need to get that information from the supplier. The list of the list of items or the serial numbers, maybe the instance identifier is something crucial information which you need to get from the supplier. So using that, you can perform the receiving activity.
And Baradwaj, it is shown also in the transit report. Sorry.
Yeah.
So they can see the shipper as well, the origin, which GLN sent you this item. It is shown in the report.
We can see the report whom sent to me.
Yes.
In the Tatmeen, it's a portal in the live or any website where you are telling. Just please tell me once again.
No, this report is being sent to you to the SPOC of your GLN every day.
Okay, so in the where I can see in the GLN, how we can see?
The GLN is mentioned in the report. It's called the transit report. Every day sent to you to the SPOC of your location.
Okay, transit report. Okay.
Yeah, it's called, yes, transit report.
It is our in the live site where we are in the live.
Sorry.
It is in the our
yes,
where we register live in that we can see.
It is sent to the SPOC, to the single point of contact, who registered with GS1. That single point of contact is receiving all your reports of your location.
Okay, so I think we have registered are not in the single point of contact spoke, because we registered in the Tatmeen.moh AP government.ae. This is live as you are telling, but spoke we register are not. That is the
okay. So our communication from Tatmeen will be with the SPOC only.
Okay.
So the SPOC will be receiving the email. If you have 5 locations,
okay,
be receiving the transit report for all those locations.
We have
to
only
forward
one
this email to you if you are not the SPOC.
Okay, we have 2 pharmacies, sir.
So whatever single point of contact email you registered at GS1 when you obtain the GLN,
yes,
is the one that will be receiving the transit report.
Okay, sir. I will try to.
If you want to change it, go to GS1, send them an email, say that you want to change the SPOC, the single point of contact.
Okay.
And you can do that with GS1.
Okay, sir. I will try to make it clear, this one. Okay. Thank you, sir.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you. Fida, can you unmute yourself and ask your question, please? Fida, can you unmute yourself and ask your question? You need to unmute the mic, Fida. Okay, I think Fida has disconnected and not showing up. If you have any questions, Fida, you can drop an email to onboarding@tatmeen.ae. Someone from our team will be able to respond you back with your questions. Any user, if you have any other questions, please raise your hand and we should be able to respond you back. Okay, thanks for joining the call. We don't have any further questions, any other caller raising their hand. So we are concluding this call. If any caller have any new questions, feel free to send an email to us on onboarding@tatmeen.ae and we should be able to respond to you back accordingly. Thank you so much.